Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a huge Urbanic haul. तो मैंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें Urbanic से मंगाई थी जब मैं last time India में थी and yeah, I thought that this is the perfect time because अभी New Year's तक बहुत सारी sale है Urbanic पे. So and there's a lot of winter, summer, everything mix of stuff that I've got. So if you like something, you can also purchase it in time जब sale है and you don't have to pay the full price. So it's actually a Savannah haul because Urbanic is Savannah now. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. The first thing, it is this beautiful corset top. It's so Christmas appropriate, but जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ वहाँ to wear this outside is just not possible. This is how the top looks like. बहुत it's very cottage girl core vibes. पूरे पे flowers हैं and then बीच में you have this tie up thingy. ऊपर भी you have this tie up thingy to adjust the shoulders. एंड इसकी जो लाइनिंग है इट्स नॉट वेरी स्टिफ सो व्हेन यू वेयर इट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फील कि वो चुभ रहा है क्योंकि बहुत सारे कॉसेट्स में यू समटाइम्स डू फील अ बिट टाइट एंड स्टिफ बिकॉज जो अंदर वायरिंग होती है इट्स टू हार्ड बट दिस इज ऑल वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड यू कैन इफ इट्स फोल्डिंग देन इट्स नाइस वायरिंग है बीच में बट इट्स नॉट टाइट which makes the top really really cool. और मुझे लगता है again it's such a cute top to wear. I think summer में it's going to look so pretty. Next is another corset style top. It is this mesh top. तो the back is all see through mesh है पूरे में. आगे you have this cutout बीच में and then you have the main top bit. And it looks so cool. And I think mesh, lace, nets, they never go out of style. Even if you don't see it a lot online, but if you throw this with a pair of jeans, it's still going to look 10-10. Next is a very cute winter sweater. Is this pink sweater with so many flowers in it and it looks so cute. It is so cute. बहुत oversized sweater है again with a nice pair of straight fit denims. This will look so cute and again very cute, very girly, so I got this one. And छूने में भी it's very soft, so it's not because कुछ material ऐसा होता है wool का that's very itchy and rushy. It does not feel that hard and stiff, so it's very soft, which is a plus point. Another very cute top is this green and blue throwover kind of a top. पूरा net है but this is again I think wool type का ही material है but it's net and it's so cute when it's not properly summer but it's not also winter and something you just need to like throw on top of something. मुझे लग रहा है ये उसके लिए बहुत apt है and again the color is so cute, the top is so gorgeous. That's why I got it. Next is one of my favorite purchase actually. It is this satin skirt. So this is how the skirt looks like. It is a small little skirt and it has this thing on the side which looks really cute and it's a creamish goldish satin skirt which looks really cute and I just want to get into wearing like midi skirts and satin skirts and long skirts because I don't really experiment a lot. I have a very standard set of clothes that I buy, so that's why I got this skirt. Next is your everyday cute little tube top with tulips on it. Again, it's everywhere on Pinterest, but मुझे लगता है still it looks so cute when you're on holidays or you just want a top you can wear casually if you don't want to dress up a lot, you're not doing much, but you still want to be a little cutesy, you want something more girly. I think this is such a cute top. Again, बहुत soft fabric. I don't know what this is, but it's so soft and love the print on it. Another basic top, I don't think इसके बारे में I have a lot to say. It's just a basic blue top, simple. पर इसके sleeves पे there is this ruffle kind of design. So ये ऐसे लटकेगा side में. But yeah, very simple everyday blue top with a little bit of detail to give it an edge. Oh, so this top. Very cute. This off shoulder kind of a top. यहाँ पे ruffle है नीचे, so you can probably adjust to your size. No, it's just ruffled. So this is the top. Simple top, not a lot going on. Pale pink है, rusted pink, whatever you want to call it. But it has got this thing that you can tie around your neck. So it comes with this choker kind of a thing along with the top, and I think again I don't use a lot of these things, I don't wear a lot of these things, so I thought it'll be very good to experiment. Also quality is very nice, it's actually very soft but thick at the same time, so yeah, good quality and a very cute top. Next is this colorful cute top. Again, very different top to what I usually wear. Beach mein iske is this not kind of a design, it's a rolling thing beach mein, but again very simple, very casual, everyday throw on top. And yeah, bright in color, which is a plus point. Great quality, again छूने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. The color combination is also very very good. जो color pattern है top पर, that looks really really lovely. Next is another basic top. It is this brown top but with a tie knot kind of a sleeve. एक side normal sleeve है, एक side ये rotational tied sleeve है. I think Kylie Jenner की brand में this pattern was very very evident and very famous, so I think it's just like that. Side में इसका थोड़ा ये ruffled design है to give that snatched effect on the waist. But yeah, very simple everyday top, casual and yet so classy. Then I got this dress. Wow, this is the first time I think I've got a dress from Urbanic. It is a full length dress. As I said, I want to experiment. This is a tube dress, red in color. इसमें ये ruffles हैं again नीचे, and there's a little slit. You will probably see it better when I wear it because I possibly cannot show all of it. And yeah, it's till the bottom, so not till the bottom but like 3/4 length. So yeah, I just liked it a lot and I got it also to experiment. Next, another red thing is this red top. ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है this is more like a very statement top. It is, you can wear something very basic underneath and then this top on top, and it's just going to look very very cute. It's a good quality. I'm just not sure about the middle this bit because ये ऐसा लगता है कि ये reversed है क्योंकि इसकी stitching दिख रही है. But let's see how when I wear it how I like it. But yeah, other than that I think this is actually a very very cute top. Ooh, another simple everyday top but very very cute top. So it's this top that's very goldenish in color. एकदम simple है. There's not a lot going on other than on one of the sleeves जहाँ पर you have this tie knot kind of a design like these drawstrings, and you can make a bow out of it and it is going to look very very cute. But again, very simple everyday top, good quality, soft top, and yeah, that's it. The next top is possibly a top I've seen pretty much everywhere. Not the exact top but the exact print. Yes, I've seen it everywhere. It is again this corset kind of a top and I've seen it literally everyone has it. Matlab this print everyone has it, not this top. Top mein you have these two ribbon kind of a things you can tie on the shoulder. Side mein it has got this net which is very cute. The middle part is this corset which is again very cute, and back mein you have these strings to adjust to your waist and how much snatched you want to look, how comfortable you want to get, that you can adjust on the back. But this looks so cute and such a nice print. So yeah, I just couldn't resist. I also got this very cute bag. It's very very cute. It has got this pearl handle and this bow. और इसके साथ I think I also got this long strap. I'll add the links in the description box. But yeah, so I thought this is so cute and yeah, one of those bags you can just throw around. Next is another very very cute top. It's a white top. I don't know why lately I've been so much into white. I just want to wear everything white. So it is another tube top, very cute. I don't know if you can see, there's like this pattern on the top which is very very cute, but the back is super cute. It is a tie-up back and फिर बीच में there's space and then there's elastic, so it looks so cute. And I just feel this is actually my vibe for 2025, white and light. That's what I wanted. Okay, so we are on to the last top. The last one is an off-shoulder top, simple black top but with a tie-up for the neck, which is very cute. I think this used to be a very early 2000s fashion and now it's coming back. So yeah, that's what I wanted to get it. And I think ये hot pink color में भी था, but I thought I'd just play safe with it because I'm experimenting. So मैंने black लिया instead of getting hot pink. But I think if you can pull it, you should go for hot pink because it will look like very poo vibes, and I'm all here for it. So the first thing I got are these cute pink earrings. Now imagine that tube top with the tulips or with the flowers and these earrings. It's going to look so cute. and बहुत light है, so that's not going to hurt your ears as well, which is a plus point. Next up are these colorful earrings. So these are like the Gemma जो बहुत famous हुआ था उसका. It looks very much like it because it's also multicolored, but again looks very very cute. So I got this. Then I got this very cute gold ring with a bow on it, and I think it looks so cute. So I just couldn't resist when I saw it and I got it. I can wear it now as well. It's here on my hand now in the middle one, and yeah, it looks so cute. So next I got is a set of necklace. आप इसको, it came together, it was one piece, but you can wear it separately if you want. So one is this beautiful like blue stones in between, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And then dusra is a simple silver chain, but then it has got this little butterfly. Wait, this little blue butterfly in the middle, and wow, these are nice. So you can actually layer them up because they go perfectly together. They're silver and blue, or you can just individually wear them, whatever your aesthetic is. Again, this is a layered necklace. It's 3 layers, but you can't use them individually. They're all attached to one. In one of the chains it has got this white butterfly, then the second one is like this pearly design, and the third one is this chain design. So I think yeah, it will look very very cute, and then you don't have to think about layering up because it's all layered for you. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Comment down below which one is your favorite stuff from this haul. I got 2 more sweaters. One was a jacket, one was a sweater. The sweater I didn't like much. I'll insert a picture here. I returned it because उसमें जो काम करा हुआ था उसका पीछे से दिख रहा था, तो it was not very neat. And the jacket was actually good, but I just didn't, when I saw it, I just didn't feel like it's something I'd wear a lot, so I returned that. But yeah, that's everything else that I thought I'd wear, and I kept. Yeah, if you'd like to stick around, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you very very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.